Well, we would be remiss if we didn't show you the inside of the last hurrah of Paradise Pier. So, yeah, the lamp doesn't work. Okay, so this is our view. It's a rainy day. You can see Disneyland Hotel over there. You can see the pool below of Paradise Pier and all its glory. It just doesn't feel like a Disneyland hotel right now because it's under construction. They're bringing on Pixar Pier. Reimagination, Mrs. Brocat says. But this is our room. We felt like we ought to record it for posterity. So this is your room that you get right now. When we booked the room, we didn't know that it was going to be like this. But it's just a hotel. It's just a hotel. That's all it is. It's nothing grand and glorious. So we're on our way to California Adventure and see what that holds for us. But we thought we would record this because it's going away. And you never know when things go away, whether you'll want to remember them or not. So anyway, we're on our way to California Adventure. So Paradise Pier has a little history to it.
It opened as the Emerald Hotel of Anaheim in 1984.
1984.
And then changed its name to Pan Pacific Hotel, which I guess is where the Pacific Ballroom, where check-in now is, gets its name.
Hopefully they'll change the elevators in Pixar Pier because they are crazy. Anyway.
Disney purchased the property in 1995 and changed it to Disneyland Pacific. Then in 2001 it became Paradise Pier. Currently undergoing a reimagination, as we are being told, to Pixar Place Hotel. Some of the renovations you'll see in these videos. It is or was home to 3 different restaurants, all of which are currently closed right now. So any food you need, you can have delivered from other hotels or a short walk over to downtown Disney for those meals. It has 480 run rooms, 25 suites.
25 suites,
25
which we're not in one.
We are not. And actually, this is one hotel that has a 13th floor. So, just a little trivia there. Renovations, guest check-in, and the gift shop have been relocated to the Pacific Ballroom. But
so there's no check-in desk, and they care about your experience. And then your mobile order for your snacks is right here. And we tried that last night. It didn't work very well. There's a very limited menu from the different restaurants at downtown Disney. Anyway, you can still buy Disney Vacation Club. That works. So the last hurrahs of Paradise Pier. We thought we'd come down and remember this weird stay. We thought we would get Paradise Pier. That is $16.99. So, alright, there you go. Well, I would be remiss if I didn't show you the pool area at Paradise Pier Hotel. So once again, this big awkward space, and you run around this way to get to the pool. So when it becomes Pixar Place, I don't know how much they're going to change this area. But I did want to document this. You know, so you could see what it was like, and then hopefully we'll come back to Pixar Pier and see the differences. But you've got the sandbar Still early in the morning, so I thought I'd get down here. This is our last day, and just take a look at what you guys would be up against if you come here, because I still don't know how long it's going to be before they get the complete renovation done. And so you could have a trip booked here now, and this is what you're going to get. This is a fireworks viewing area. When it's on, ready to go, you view them over there. We got to do that one night. You can see some of the construction off there in the distance. So that's the shopping district, and I don't know what they're doing out there, but they've got a bunch of walled off area in that parking lot, and we'll see what those renovations bring. So, I mean, we've had a good time. It hasn't been without its challenges. So I'd say the number one challenges we had were with Genie Plus, but as we look back over everything, we got to ride everything we really wanted to except web slingers. So it's okay. Lounge areas to sit here. Persons with diarrhea and anyway. So anyway, this is the pool area. Let's see what it's like. And so once again, it's early in the morning. We got some lifeguards on duty, but pool area with nobody in it. So since we've been here, we've had maybe 10 to 15 people in the pool at a time. Down to the parking garage. It's on in the sun forever. And then coming this way, you've got a 1-foot wading pool, and then you've got the slide, which it's closed. So I mean, it's cool for a little. It's cool for a little slide.
Oh, everybody scream!
Here in a flash and gun.
There is a walkway to a private entrance for Paradise Pier Hotel. I always want to call it Piedmont, so I wanted to walk that real quick. I'll probably speed this up. So I wanted to show you the front entrance of Paradise Pier, becoming Pixar Pier. And so I value in the property to please, still doing the upkeep, but it's changing, and I wanted to document that. I don't know why, but Brocat wanted to document this to see what it becomes. Maybe we'll come back in a couple years when they have this finished. But there are no diagrams, there's nothing that really show you the way this is going to turn out. But you've got this. So the whole front entrance, what was the front entrance to Paradise Pier, is blocked off. So it's this easy pedestrian way. From what it used to be, it's all changed now. And there's no diagrams, there's no models of what it could be or what it's going to be. So it just looks like this. As they close the doors, Paradise Pier. So hopefully it'll be gorgeous when it's done. But yeah, this is it. So they're closing the doors on Paradise Pier forever. There we go. All right, so that's a wrap for Brocat. We appreciate you watching. Subscribe, like us, give us a hand in all this so we can feed our dog Sophie, because she eats a lot. And also, I wanted to let you know, there's a membership available to Brocat Nation. It's like $5 a month, and you get extra stuff. Something sent in the mail, you get special videos, and I have a video recording that you'll want to see, but it's only offered to members of Brocat Nation. Epic Brocat Nation. So we're worldwide, and well, we're nationwide really. So well, we're glad to have you. Hope you're having a great day. And look at these palm trees up here. That's cool. So anyway, all right, Brocat's out officially now.